So today I'm going to be starting my declutter series with you guys, and this is going to include all of my loose powders, regular foundation powders, also all my liquid foundations, which you can see I have a good deal right here, as well as in this drawer. And let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so I've laid out all my foundations, drugstore and high-end, here on the table. Most all of these have been used, and I'm going to say if I'm going to keep or get rid of them. So first off, I'm going to start off with a few that I already know I'm going to be keeping because I've been using them, loving them for a while now, and already kind of working through. So the first one is my It Cosmetics CC cream. This is in Fair. Absolutely love this CC cream. I've actually traded in my It Cosmetics for the Mary Kay one. As you can see, it is almost absolutely gone. I am in very light in the Mary Kay CC cream, and I absolutely love both of these. So I will definitely be keeping them. The Peach Perfect foundation, it's the Comfort Matte foundation from Too Faced. I am in the shade Snow, and I will be keeping this. As you can see, I do use it. My Hourglass Vanish Stick in the shade Porcelain. It's actually almost empty. I absolutely love this foundation. I'll be keeping that. Next is the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue. This is in the shade Opal 1. Absolutely love this foundation, but I am going to go ahead and toss this. I've had it for a really long time. I'm not using it up, and it just needs to go. And this is the Estee Lauder, let's see, Double Weared Nude Cushion Stick. I am trying to use this up currently. It's almost empty, so I will keep this. This is the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Breakout Foundation. It's full coverage, apparently, and it's in Fair. I have not tried this out yet, so this is one that I would like to at least try before getting rid of. As you can see here, I have 3 more of those cushion sticks. These have not been used. Estee Lauder sent me a bunch of these in a package with all different kinds of colors, all the shades, and I gave a lot to friends and family, and I kept a few, but I'm going to go ahead and give these away. So next I have the Makeup Forever HD. I have this little mini. I have the big, 2 big ones actually. Where is it? In 2 different colors. I actually really do love this foundation, so I am going to keep that and make sure that it hasn't oxidized on me. The mini I'm actually going to go ahead and give away because I still haven't used it, and there's no reason when I have 2 full sizes. I have these Tarte clay stick foundations. They're okay. I did like them. They're actually in Fair Beige and Fair Neutral. They're okay. They're just not something I reach for. They're not my favorite. They make me a little bit shiny during the day, especially in the summer, so I'm going to go ahead and pass these along to somebody else. I'll probably have them on my Poshmark after I sanitize them. I next have the Super BB Insta Ready from Physicians Formula. Not my favorite, so again, I will pass that along. I have another CC cream in Light. I'm going to go ahead and pass this along to my mom because she is in the shade, and this is just a little bit dark for me. This is a Pure Minerals Cameo Contour. Reason it's in my foundations is that one side is foundation, one side is more of a contour. Not a huge fan of these, so we'll pass that along as well. The Bye Bye Lines foundation from It Cosmetics. I really do enjoy this foundation, so I will be keeping that for the time being. It's fairly new. Estee Lauder Double Wear. This is a brand new bottle in 1 and 2. I will be keeping that. It's one of my all-time favorite foundations. Next I have the Cover FX Custom Cover Drops. I really did like these for full coverage in the past. They're definitely super old though, and I tried to use especially this one up in N20, but I'm going to go ahead and toss these because they're super old. Next I have the Wet n Wild foundation, the Photo Finish. I did really enjoy this one, however it has oxidized a bit on me, so I am going to have to toss this unfortunately. I did use about half the bottle though, so not a total loss. Same with this matte and poreless from the Fit Me Maybelline. It has turned a bit on me. It's a little bit too old, so I am going to have to toss that, unfortunately. The Becca Ultimate Coverage Complexion. I have really wanted to love this foundation, but it just doesn't work with my skin. It just doesn't blend right on my skin. I just don't like how it looks, so I'm going to go ahead and pass this along. Next I have the Fenty Beauty, and this is in the shade 120. I feel like I haven't used this enough to give a fair review or feeling on it, so I'm going to use it a little bit longer before I get rid of it. The Bare Minerals, this is the Bare Pro Foundation. Again, similar to the Becca, where I just don't like how it looks on my skin. It's an okay foundation, but something that I'm going to go ahead and sell and pass on. It's pretty new. I have the Power Fabric Giorgio Armani Foundation, another one that I do really enjoy and haven't given enough time with, so I'm going to continue to use this. Born This Way Foundation. I used to be a super big fan of this foundation. I do still really like it, but I think this color is a little bit too dark for me right now unless I start to self-tan, and I'm just going to go ahead and pass this on. It's in the shade Vanilla. Next I have the Makeup Forever HD Stick Foundation in 117. I don't know, like, I really used to enjoy this, so I think I'm going to try it out again for a few weeks and see if I want to keep that. Then I have two of the Makeup Forever Water Blend Foundations. You know, I really haven't been reaching for these in a long time, so I think I'm going to go ahead. Like, they're not super old. They're probably about, I don't know, a year old, so I think I'll pass both of these on. They're a really nice foundation. I don't know, I'm not reaching for it. Same with the Anti-Armor. This one actually might have to be tossed because of the sunscreen, so I'll be tossing that. Unfortunately, did not use that up. Then I have the Immaculate Foundation from Hourglass in the shade Shell. Another one that I do enjoy. It's super mattifying and really full coverage, but I haven't been reaching for it, so again, going to pass that along. Same for the Infallible, these Infallible Total covers. Super good coverage, a moussey kind of formula. They're nice, but I'm not using them, passing those on. Same thing with the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow. I much prefer the Pro Matte, so passing that along. And last but not least, the Clinique Super Balanced Milk Makeup with SPF 15 in Silk Bare. One that I haven't reached for in a long time, but I do really enjoy, so I'm going to keep it for a little bit longer. Alright guys, so this corner right here are all the foundations I'll be gifting or selling on my Poshmark. I'll leave it linked down below. This corner are the few liquid foundations that I'm keeping. I'm actually really proud of myself. And these few are the ones that will be thrown away because they have expired and are no longer able to be gifted. Alright, moving on to the powders.